Hello guys, welcome to Design Hackathon second edition. A small introduction about this event. This is an inter-school competition called Volksfiesta, organized by Deens Academy, and in association with DQ Labs we are organizing Design Hackathon, and this is the second edition which is going to happen on 22nd and 23rd of August 2020, and this is an online event. This event is open to all students worldwide, right from the 8th grade till 12th grade. I'm Umesh Kumar GL, I'm founder director of Design Quotient Labs, and I'm going to take you through this Design Hackathon, the second edition. Now what you do in this Design Hackathon is solve real problems, people problems, by following the design process under the guidance of professional designers. There are 6 categories to choose a project from, ranging from architecture, product design, graphic design, fashion design, transportation design, and UX UI design. You have to create teams to participate in this competition. You can have a team of about 2 to 5 students together, so get your friends, your best buddies, but ensure that all of you are from the same school. Why? Because you can be eligible to participate for the rolling trophy. The 8th grade to 10th grade students are grouped as group A, and the 11th and 12th grade are grouped into group B. So you have different groups based on your grades, and you will be competing among your own group members. The Design Hackathon second edition will be launched on 22nd August 2020 at 2 p.m. on the very auspicious day of manifestation of intellect, spiritual power, and prosperity. It's a great day to begin new learning. So the Design Hackathon second edition is a 2-day event which starts at 2 p.m. on 22nd August and ends on day 2 at around 5 p.m. on 23rd August. So on the day 1 you will be introduced to the Design Hackathon, the problem statement for each of these categories, and we will be introducing your teams to the mentors who will be helping you follow the design process, and you will be briefed about the projects, and then with the help of the mentors you will be doing your own research, discovery, defining the problem, presentation of your identified problem definitions, and then you get on to ideation and finalization of the ideas. By 6 we'll close day 1. However, you can continue working on your project overnight. The day 2 starts at 9 o'clock, and during which you can start working on your mock-ups, prototypes, or presentation drawings and prepare the final outcomes, and by 2 o'clock you will be ready with one video and 5 images to be posted on the social media, and we will be using this social media for rating and sharing of your ideas with your family and friends. So the final outcomes will be a 1-minute video that contains your problem statement, research findings, and your unique solution. Similarly, you will be creating 5 images about problem definition, discovery, and defining what you have found, ideations, and the solutions. All this content will have to go onto the social media for social rating. This is a snapshot of the criteria for evaluation of your work. Your work should have a strong differentiator, should be innovative, sustainable, creative, user friendliness, should have great aesthetics, and also have garnered great social likes, comments, and share points. The final results will be announced on August 30th, 2020 between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. during the Design Quotient Industry E-Meet. There are many awards and certificates to be won. 1 winner award per category, 2 finalists per category, digital certificates for all the participants, and up to 100% scholarships for DQ Labs Design Exploration Program for all the participants depending on your performance. 1 best winning team across all categories and groups will receive a portable pen tablet per team member. Let us say there are 5 people in your team. Each of you will get a pen tablet, and of course all the winning team members will receive Staedtler's color pencil set and a mechanical pencil along with refills. And the school that gains maximum cumulative points will be taking home the rolling trophy. The 2019 rolling trophy winners were National Center for Excellence, a school in Bangalore. Congratulations, guys, and let us see who is going to win this rolling trophy this year. There are great reasons why you have to participate in this, especially the phase that we are going through, the pandemic times. There are so many problems that are arising all over the world, and young children like you, young minds, can put your minds together and solve exciting problems. But if you have to solve these problems, you need to know the right method of solving these problems. And by participating in this Design Hackathon second edition, you will learn and experience the correct design process under the guidance of design professionals. The outcomes of this Design Hackathon second edition can directly go into your portfolio, and of course all the awards and the recognitions and the 100% scholarships, up to 100% scholarships that you can gain from DQ Labs for the design exploration program. The last date for entry availing the early bird is 7th of August 2020. There is a per team fee 1500 rupees because we have to engage the professionals to guide you. So this money will be used for that. And the event date is on 22nd and 23rd of August. You can use these links to pay the fee online and also to register online, and you can access the Volksfiesta event information over here, the Deens Academy school website here, and DQ Labs portal over here. Please go through them and understand more. So how can you prepare yourself, guys? If you have time, you just give us 3 hours of your time across 3 days. We will help you sharpen and hone your sketching skills. Even if you have never drawn any single drawing, we will help you develop that confidence to draw very fantastic interiors and products in perspective in a very logical fashion. This course is generally 5,000 rupees, but we are giving it for free to engage all the creative people during this pandemic times. And you can register yourself on clicking on this particular link. Right, guys, so we are all excited to have this Design Hackathon second edition. It is open for all students all across India and abroad. Please do attend and make best use of this opportunity. Thanks a lot and all the best.